Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be digging into the Winter Fab Fit Fun 2019 box, and I'm super excited about it because let me just tell you how much I care for you, okay? So I received this box like 3 days ago, and I really wanted to open it up, try out all the products, everything inside of it, but I wanted my first impressions to be on camera for you guys. And I partially failed. I did open it up and take a peek inside because I suck. But I'm also awesome because I didn't move anything around, I didn't open anything, so it is going to be my first impression still, but I do kind of have somewhat of an idea of what's in here, so take it as you will. But for those of you guys who are not familiar with what FabFitFun is, basically it is a quarterly subscription service which you get 4 times a year, and it has a little bit of everything in it. It has some wellness products, it has beauty items, and just like sometimes there's candles, sometimes there's scarves, blankets, you name it. I would have put it past FabFitFun to eventually put it in their box. So you really never know what you're getting. Every box is kind of, customizable, so every box is a little bit different. It is $49.99 and you get over $200 worth of items in the box. So that's an amazing deal. I do have a coupon code below. It's Lacey Nicole, and it is for $10 off of your first box. So check out the description box. Check out the description bar if you want to check out the coupon code. But let's get into this box because I'm pretty curious about what is inside. And I know what's inside, but I want to dig my fingers into the products and touch everything. So if you guys want to see what is in the FabFitFun Winter 2019 box, then please keep watching. Okay, so when you first open up the box, you have some paperwork up top, a magazine, you have a few coupons in here, so let's kind of dive into here. So this magazine kind of explains the products inside. There's also other deals and goodies in here, some lifestyle tips and just some fun information. So moving right along, we have a $15 off coupon for the next FabFitFun box. We have, I've heard of this. Have you guys tried this? It's HelloFresh. I've not tried it, but there is a $90 gift card in here for HelloFresh. Ooh, okay. And then this really intrigued me. So this is a $30 gift card for a website called Sterling Forever. And looking at the jewelry on here, it's just right up my alley. I love dainty gold necklaces and just really classic jewelry. So this looks really cool, trendy, and just unique pieces of jewelry. So I'm definitely gonna be using that for myself, a little Christmas gift to myself. And then the last little thing in here is oh my gosh, this is $100 off of any purple mattress. I don't need a mattress right now, but I've been really wanting to try this purple mattress. There's a little sample of the material that it's made out of in here, and it just feels so squishy. Could definitely sleep on that. Okay, so now let's get into the products. Okay, so the first thing that kind of stands out to me, and I'm so bad with product names, so just please excuse that. I'm pretty sure it's called Corona, and it's a little package of different types of face masks. So there's an age-defying, an antioxidant, a brightening, a clarifying, an exfoliating, a hydrating, and an eye renewal mask. So I think that I might try this out. I want to kind of create maybe a winter evening routine video. So maybe I'll try that out in that video. If you guys want to see a video like that, let me know. But I just need some moisture for my skin. So I'm definitely going to be trying the moisturizing or hydrating mask because my skin is pretty disgusting right now. It's that time of the year, especially here in Michigan, where it's so dry and my skin just, if I don't put lotion on for one day, my skin starts flaking. Okay, ew. So anyways, moving along, we have a makeup eraser. What? A makeup, erase all makeup with just water. So I don't even know what this is. Oh, I've heard of these before. So I've heard that you get these wet. They're little fiber cloths. You get them wet and it's supposed to remove your makeup really, really good. This is very, very soft. So I don't know if maybe it's something in the fibers that kind of catch the makeup and wipe it off. So maybe I'll be testing this out in that winter evening routine video too, because this feels super soft. I'm really curious to see if this actually works. Interesting, interesting. All right, next up we have a little balm to oil by LXMI. And I need this. Like I just told you, I'm disgusting. I need all the moisture I can get, okay? So let's try this out here. Well, that is thick. I don't know if you guys can see it. Like it comes off in kind of like a clump. It is like a balm, I guess you could call it. Kind of smells like a natural product, which I personally like. I don't really like heavily fragranted products. I do use them to smell good, but when it comes to like really moisturizing, I feel like more natural products get the job done better. Ooh, this is very nice. Okay, so it does turn into like an oil on your hands, and it's very, very moisturizing. I kind of prefer like more oily products because I feel like they last longer. Like I don't need to moisturize as much. So yeah, I really like this. I need this in like a full size, big old bad boy tube to rub all over my entire body because I think I'm gonna really like this. So yeah, and plus the packaging is super duper cute. So I really like that. Guess what? You will be naked in 1 minute. Will I? I don't know if I really will, but I will be trying this out for sure because this looks amazing. This is the original coffee scrub. It's 100% natural exfoliator for smooth, glowing skin. You know, what I like about this box is it's like catering to all the needs that it didn't even know that I needed met. Like, does that even make sense? Basically, what I like about this box is that there's a lot of products for moisturizing your skin, and I guess, you know, it makes sense because it's the winter box, so you get dry in the winter time. There's some products in here to keep you warm, hint hint, nudge nudge. I'll show you that in a little bit, but they really do cater to your needs for like every season, so I'm pretty excited to try all of these products. Let's see what this is. This is Erno Laszlo. Gosh, what the heck? Can I read? Erno Laszlo, New York, and this is an exfoliating and detoxing pore cleansing clay mask. Let's open this up and see what the package looks like. It's childproof. Okay. Ooh, the packaging, nice matte packaging. Very chic. I don't know if this really has a scent. Okay, so it's kind of like a purple mask. I thought it would be black. What I like about it is that it's moisturizing but also kind of cleanses your pores. Because a lot of times when you have a product that pulls impurities out of your face, it's very, very drying. So I like the fact that this says it's moisturizing too. So Lord knows I need that. All right, next we have Pepperelli Prime Detangler. Oh, this is by Drybar. I've actually never tried any products by Drybar, and I'm a professional hairstylist, and I've just heard amazing things about it. So I'm super excited to use this. So basically you spray this in your hair when it's damp, and it detangles your hair, but it also protects your hair from the heat. And I love the color of this. Like, this packaging is just like so luxurious looking and so girly. So it says it protects up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So, oof. Definitely gonna be using that. All right, next up we have an Epsom salt body and hand wash. Oh, that's really nice. Let's see what this smells like. The front of it says yoga. That's what it says. I'm not being dramatic. Oh, love this smell. This is like very natural. I love the fact that there's nothing that's overly scented in here. Like, everything feels natural and has a really great scent to it. Kind of smells like essential oils, but not overpoweringly. You know, sometimes they can get a little strong. Okay, I love myself a good essential oil, but sometimes it's strong. So this is a really nice light scent. And I think that's it for the products. Now the last thing is what I'm most excited about. I saved the best for last. There's a blanket in here. I love it when they put blankets in the boxes. I love it when they put scarves in the boxes. I just think it makes it super exciting. So this is what it looks like. And this is by Unhide, and what I've heard from this brand is that they are huge animal lovers. So they want to give you the luxury of like animal fur feel without actually harming any animals. And I'm telling you, like, there's fuzzy blankets out there. There's blankets that are just like soft, but this actually feels like fur. So that's pretty impressive. So let me open this up. The good thing about the color of this blanket too is that it's a nice neutral color, so it'll match pretty much anybody's house. Oh, baby, okay. Oh, this is so nice. This is a nice big blanket too, like it's super thick. Oh. Alright you guys, so that is it for the winter box of FabFitFun for 2019. Personally, I'm really impressed with all the products inside of the box. Like every single thing in the box I will use, because it kind of sucks in subscription boxes when you get a few items that you know you're not going to use, so you either give it away or like, I don't know, sometimes I sell it. But every single thing in this box I'm going to use, especially this bad boy right here. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you've not subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe to it. Hit that little bell button and that will notify you every time that I post a new video. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye. La, 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 la. I'm very like chesty right now, like a little much. Oh.